In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add your Zilch card to Apple Wallet. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your iPhone like you usually would, and then from here you'll need to search for the Wallet app. Once from here, it should be looking something like this. And now from here you'll need to go up to this plus icon up here, right beside the wallet, and from here you'll be able to add to wallet. From here you can either choose previous cards, or debit card or travel card down here. From here, you'll simply need to add in your debit card or credit card, and from here, you'll be able to see that you can choose the Apple Pay and click continue. Once from here, you can hold your card or Zilch card near your phone to automatically register your card into your Apple Wallet account. If that doesn't work, you can always click enter card details manually, and from here, you'll be able to either add the card number and then your CVS, etc., or you can click scan card with camera like so. Once you've done that, it will go automatically out to your wallets and credit cards, and you'll have successfully added your Zilch card to Apple Wallet. But that's how I do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!